Hello, everyone. My name is Miss Bolag, and welcome to Social Studies class. Have you ever wondered how industries came about? Do you know what is the number one industry in the Bahamas? Have you ever wondered how many major oceans, rivers, lakes there are in the world? Well, you're in luck. This lesson will teach us all about an introduction to geography. Geography answers those questions. Let's begin. Yes, this is social studies class, not geography class. But geography and social studies, even history, have a lot in common. In this lesson, we're going to define the term geography. We're going to identify the branches of geography, and we're going to explain how geography will be used in your social studies class, in this social studies class. Let's start with the definition. Geography is defined as the study of places and the relationship between people and the environment. Geographers explore both the physical properties of Earth's surface and the human society spread across it. So what does that really mean? Let's try another definition. It says, geography is the study of the Earth and how humans interact with it. Starting to become a little bit clearer? So let's talk about that definition a little bit more. Geography, in its simplest term, is the study, meaning the going in depth, the research, the analyzing, the evaluating, the all of that good stuff. We're going to look at the Earth, all aspects of the Earth, the solar system, the planets, the Earth itself, weather, climate, plants, animals. That's geography. And it's another part of geography talks about the human aspects of it, like how humans interact with Earth, how human interacts with the Earth, meaning where settlements are located, farming practices, industries, all of those things are incorporated in the study of geography. However, in this social studies class, we're not going to go too in depth on that. This is just an introduction to geography. The part of geography that we want to look at is this. This brings us to our second objective. We're going to identify the branches of geography. Now, there are three branches of geography in social studies that we really need to look at. The first part is the physical geography in red. Second one is the human geography in green. And the third one is the graphical techniques of geography. That's the mapping skills. So let's talk about these three individually. This is the physical geography. This talks about all the physical features that you would see on the Earth's surface. This talks about rivers, lakes, plateaus. This diagram shows a multitude of those physical features, the things that you can see on the Earth's surface, touch on the Earth's surface. The environment, don't include that, but the climate, the atmosphere, solar systems, those are some of the topics that we'll cover in this social studies class from geography. The second branch of geography is the human geography. If you really look at this diagram, you'll see some settlements, you'll see farming practices, you'll see vegetation, you see some hotels, you see industries. That's the tourism industry. You see those big old hotels and those beach umbrellas. That's industries. That's tourism. So we're going to talk about those human aspects of geography as well, how humans interact with the earth. And the last branch of geography is geographical techniques. And this is where we learn how to use the compass, we learn how to read a map, we learn how to find direction, we learn which way is north, which way is south, we learn about the equator, lots of different geographical techniques we'll learn in this social studies class. So at this point, you know the definition of geography. You know the branches of geography. You know some examples of topics that you'll learn from geography that are related to social studies. Now tell me, can you explain how geography is beneficial to you in this social studies class based on that information that we've already learned? Why is studying geography important? That's our last objective. Let's look at it. Knowledge is power. Boys and girls, that's a fact. Knowing things is a powerful tool to have in your back pocket. More specifically, learning the geography aspect of social studies will empower us to preserve the environment, especially our natural resources like conch, lobster, and some of the endangered species that we have here in the Bahamas. Additionally, it'll help you when you're building a home, knowing where to locate your house. Geography is also beneficial when navigating. Knowing how to get around places is very important this day and age. GPS, GIS, those are some things that geography skills will help you to master. So those are three aspects where geography can help you in life and even in this social studies class. I'm sure you can think of many other ways that geography is helpful. Okay, boys and girls, we've defined, identified, and explained. We know the definition of geography. It's the study of Earth and how man interacts with it. That's its simplest definition. We've learned the branches of geography. There are three branches of geography: human geography, physical geography, and geographical techniques. We've also learned how geography can be beneficial to you as an individual and you in this social studies class. Always remember BOWLEG, being organized with learning establishes greatness. I'm Ms. Bowleg, and I'll see you in the next lesson.